charger box and accessory box charger quality assurance card. Repair tool pedal. Remove the protective foam. Remove the front insert protective strip. Remove the front wheel protector. Loosen the screws on both sides of the front wheel. The front wheel is aligned with the front wheel and placed accurately. Tighten with a wrench of kit force. Install protective cover. Loosen with a hex wrench. Put the handlebars in. Adjust the direction of the handlebars. Tighten the remaining screws with a wrench. Remove the remaining foam paper. Pedals found in kit. Pay attention to distinguish between left and right pedals. It needs to be tightened with a wrench after installation. Installation complete.